At some point, we either need more water or we need a better way to store it. Right, Darren?
Yep, and find better ways to manage the amount that we do have now. That's also going to have to be a major factor in this solution. Look at the view from the top of the Salesforce Tower of Oakland, and that is the skyline there. Look at the haze that's just kind of settled over the city, which is a really good visual to tell us that high pressure is in place, just kind of trapping everything and holding it down to the ground. This has had a big impact on temperatures this morning. It's 52 degrees in Santa Rosa right now. It's 50 in San Jose. But that 52 in Santa Rosa is a big difference from what you're used to waking up to. If we look at the difference from 24 hours ago, that's 8 degrees warmer than you were just yesterday at this time. Look at Fairfield. It's 15 degrees warmer right now in Fairfield. Why those two places? Because that's where it's already windy. The offshore winds are already starting to warm things up for locations in the Central Valley and in the North Bay. And if you look at what this does for daytime highs today, we're going to be 14 degrees warmer today in Oakland than we were yesterday. That does have to do with some of these dry offshore winds. It also has to do with high pressure building. It's a combination of the two. But it's going to be a dramatic change in terms of the way it feels. And even though the red flag warning and our fire weather concerns are top of mind, they are the most important issue in the forecast at this point to make sure we're all aware of that. I don't want this part of the story to get buried in that, because when you get right down to it, this is how the majority of us are going to experience the weather from this. It really won't be all that windy for most of us. The wind is an issue in the mountains, but not necessarily where we all live. In terms of your daily weather experience, it's the warm-up. Look at the red flag warning. What's different about this one? This includes the North Bay Mountains. So that's different from the one we had last week. Last week it was confined mainly to the Central Valley. So this one includes the North Bay Mountains. We've already had gusts in the 60-mile-an-hour range in the North Bay Mountains overnight while we were sleeping. We've seen them in the 40-mile-an-hour range down here already, in the Diablo Range and getting down towards Mount Hamilton. And you can already see that there's a 46-mile-an-hour gust right now. Here's how it plays out through the rest of today. The winds will get down to the lower elevations where we live. Not terribly strong, but enough that you'll notice it's a breezy day. That is part of the warm-up. Those offshore winds will help warm us up a bit, but it's like a warm breeze. It's not a terribly strong wind unless you're in the mountains. Watch what happens here as we go into tomorrow. That's tomorrow morning. Another 35-mile-an-hour gust up at the higher elevations. Not the most intense offshore wind event. The offshore wind event in itself is not why we've got the red flag warning. The reason we've got the red flag warning with these humidity levels going down into the single digits is that the landscape is already too dry from the lack of rain that we've had from this season. That's the primary driver of the red flag warning, the conditions that were already in place. It doesn't take much to put us into red flag category, and that's what this is. It's not really much of an offshore wind event, but it was enough. Daytime highs today, there are those 90s. Look at Concord, 88, going up to Livermore. Now, we're going to stay here temperature-wise for about the first part of the 7-day forecast. We may get a little bit of a drop as we get into Sunday, but we're going to go right back up for Monday and Tuesday, and then we'll level things back down a bit going into the middle part of next week with temperatures in the Bay staying in the mid to upper 70s for much of this 7-day forecast. Devin.
All right, we'll just have to